Check this out. I made this delicious 2-cheeseburger in my kitchen in just 5 minutes, including prep time. And the best part is, when I finished, there was no pan or dish to clean up. Let me show you how I did it. There's nothing quite like the taste of a grilled hamburger, but sometimes you just don't have the time or inclination to fire up the grill. Let me show you how to make a quick and easy microwave cheeseburger that tastes just as good as one cooked on the grill. We're going to use a high-quality frozen hamburger patty. If you keep the bun in the freezer, it'll be toasted by the time the burger is cooked. The key to cooking delicious burgers in a microwave is moisture control. You want to cover the burger with a lid that doesn't vent so that the moisture stays in during the cooking process. And a great way to do this is 2 paper plates. This means you won't have any dishes to clean up when you're finished. Microwave power varies along with the thickness of the burger, so I recommend that you start out cooking your burgers for 3 minutes. Now, this is probably one of those videos you want to share with a friend. Thanks for watching.